Hi everyone, this is Jia and you're watching Jia's Art. You are in the right place if you want to learn how to write July in calligraphy style and many more about calligraphy writing. Hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon for upcoming drawing tutorials. These are the tools I'll be using. For more details, check out the description below. Step 1. First at all, draw a line, leave 4 cm gap from bottom. Now I am writing July in calligraphy style lightly, just using HB pencil.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts.
So July is done. Now I am creating some ice creams at right side. First step is done. Let's move on second step. In this step, I am using black pointer and outline the whole drawing.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why
Second step is done. Let's move on third step. In this step, I am using simple eraser and erase the simple pencil lines. Third step is done. Let's move on fourth step. In this step, I am using black permanent marker and color the words of July. Now I am using black pointer and attach the thick lines with thin lines for
Staying
neatness.
up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Fourth step is done. Let's move on fifth step. In this step, I am using some different colors and colored the ice creams. You can use any type of pencil colors which you have. I am using Oro colors.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Finally, it's done. Hope you all enjoy my video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, try this one and tag me on Instagram for featured. The Instagram link is given in description. Share your feedback in comments below. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.